In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio from a video in Adobe Express. If you've got a clip with background noise, distracting chatter, or music you don't have rights to use, removing the original audio is a quick fix, and Adobe Express makes it simple. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to do and why each step matters. First, open your video project in Adobe Express. This is the project where your clip is already placed on the timeline or canvas. Once the project loads, make sure you can see your video clip so we're working on the right piece of media. Next, click the video clip you want to edit. Selecting the clip is important because the audio controls apply to whatever is highlighted. If your project has multiple clips, you'll handle them one at a time the same way. You'll know a clip is selected when you see the bounding box or highlight around it and the editing options appear. Now, look to the right panel and choose the audio option. This panel is where Adobe Express keeps the sound tools for your selected clip. If you're using the web version, it's typically on the right side. On mobile, similar controls may appear in the toolbar when the clip is selected. Either way, you're in the right place when you see controls like a volume slider and a mute option. To remove the original sound, you have two choices. You can toggle mute, which instantly silences the clip, or you can drag the volume slider to 0 for the same result. Mute is the fastest option. The slider gives you control if you prefer to lower the volume gradually. Setting it to 0 ensures the clip's original audio won't be heard at all. Once you make this adjustment, your video clip is effectively silent. After muting, you can enhance your project by adding new audio or a voiceover. This is helpful if you want clean narration, a consistent soundtrack, or sound effects that match your visuals. Adobe Express lets you bring in a music track or record a quick voiceover so your new audio takes center stage without competing with the original sound. Keep an eye on levels so your added audio is clear but not overwhelming, and aim for a balanced, professional finish. That's it. Open your project, select your clip, head to the audio panel, and mute or set the volume to 0. Then, if you want, layer in fresh audio to complete the story. With these steps, you'll have clean, controlled sound in your video in just a few moments.